like, comment, and subscribe for more on the latest tech, home, fitness, and lifestyle products with real-life applications. Alright guys, let's go ahead and get into today's video.
Hello everyone, in today's video we'll be going over the high performance planner based on the world's largest study of high performers and how they increase productivity, set goals, prioritize, and create the positive mindset and habits needed to win the day. This one is a 2-in-1 planner. It features a daily schedule plus morning and evening journal prompts, 60 days undated so you can buy now and use any time of the year. Daily pages feature the morning mindset process and evening review scorecard. Weekly pages include the high performance habit assessments. Monthly pages help you align the long-term goals and strategically think ahead. And newly includes a free online assessment to track your habits, which is also a $97 value. We have daily pages, weekly pages, and monthly pages all formatted like so, which is so tiny you guys can't see it right now. But we're going to get into that as well. Right now you can find this on Amazon for $16.75, so that's a fantastic deal right there. It is also available in 6 different colors, which I prefer the black, the red, or the green. And there's also an orange, blue, and yellow color as well. So let's go ahead and check out the inside though and see exactly what we've got here. Let's open it up. Take pics and tell us your stories on Instagram. Remember, you are stronger than you think and the future holds good things for you. And that is from the creator Brendan Burchard. So that is fantastic for him to say that as well, because I believe a lot in maintaining a positive mindset to continue keeping everything going. There is an introduction and a little article defining high performance. And I will actually give you guys a still right there so you can pause and read that as well. But there's also on this side creating this planner for you, and if you would like as well on that, I'll go ahead and bring that up and give you a little bit of an opportunity to pause and then scroll up so you guys can check that out as well if you guys want to. But no big deal. If not, just continue forward. Some more right there. I'll go ahead and do that as well just so you guys can see. If you want to, you can read that along with the video as we watch, because it really is pretty interesting. And there's a whole life assessment right there. The goal of this assessment is to help you identify areas for improvement in the major areas of your life. As with any self-assessment, the goal isn't a complete snapshot of every nuance of your life, but rather a good opportunity for overall self-reflection. So, and that's just the first 2 lines. I'm not going to read the entire paragraph up top there, but it does have a category for health, mental and emotional, partners in love, family, friends, mission, experiences, spirit, finances, and learning as well. So all very important topics, categories. Also seek clarity. This is a high performance habits assessment. Seek clarity, generate energy, raise necessity, increase productivity, and develop influence, while also demonstrating courage. And that's high performance habits assessment. That's just to get you started and get you actually ready to start making your plans out. But here are the actual daily pages where we have today's message to myself, today's top 3 goals and priorities, tasks that absolutely may be done today, and persons I need to lead or connect with today and how to do it well. We have the morning mindset. One thing I can get excited about today is number 2. If one word could describe the kind of person I want to be today, then that word is blank, and why I chose it is blank. Someone who needs me on my A game today is so on and so forth, guys. As you can see right there, there are many different ways. I like that one as well. A situation that might stress me out or trip me up today could be, and then just not leaving it at that, and the way that my best self would deal with that. I like the way that they added best self too, instead of just the way that I would deal with that is the way that my best self would deal with that. So you can reflect and figure out what you believe the best way to do it is, not just the way that you would immediately approach it. So that is fantastic. And there's all your different time slots as well. let's continue and go ahead and flip to our next page. And then after a week, there will be your weekly page. And if I can get through here, there is our weekly learning review right here. Let's go ahead and pull that up here. 3 great things that happened to me last week and the main struggle I faced in the past week, so on and so forth. We have a good review there. Scoring yourself on the weekly life review is also a great way to check yourself and make sure that you hold yourself accountable when you do slip up, and to score that different individual week and track your progress from there as well. And here are the high performance habits weekly review. So let's go ahead and move on to the monthly review. If we can find us a monthly review, I think there's one in the far back, so I'll go ahead, and because where it ends there's a monthly review. Okay, here's the monthly review reflection, and it is similar to the weekly review and also has long-term goal alignment, so you can put your 1 year and your 3 year goals in there as well. Whole life assessment once again, and then after that we have month ahead at a glance, where you can put everything that you would need in there as well. So definitely the monthly review has a calendar itself, and then it has many other things such as major events, major projects up here. These things must happen this month. The major deadlines of this month include the best ways I can prepare and ensure that I show up to win this month are, and I would feel like I'm living my best life if this month I blank, and enter all those for yourself and try and hit all those as a goal for yourself as well. Then I believe we have 10 or 20 pages of just lined grid paper as well for different note taking, and if you're anything like me, some doodling, because even in something as professional as a planner or getting my life together, I still like to doodle every now and again. So that's fantastic, guys. Overall, I love it. Stay more focused, prioritize like a pro, increase productivity, measure what matters, build more effective habits, accelerate your personal growth. Do have a little bit of date on the back right there, because I've actually had this planner for a little bit and just been waiting to unbox it for you all. So super fantastic product, one of the best I've actually featured on my channel, especially for the fact that it has plenty of real life applications. So I want to thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Real Life Unboxing for more products with real life applications. Smash that notification bell to stay up to date on our newest uploads, and as always, keep it real.